You found the correct video if, like me, you own Tesla stock but are unable to see or attend the company's shareholder meetings due to personal circumstances. What happened during that meeting? Which are the most important things for you to know? Since answering this will undoubtedly increase your wealth, let's do it now. We'll be talking about the main discussions from Tesla's 2023 shareholders meeting in this video. We observed the Cybertruck AI advancements, humanoid robots, and numerous other products during that meeting. Apart from that, we'll talk about their future business plan. You're probably curious to know more at this point, so keep watching and don't move. However, in order to activate YouTube's algorithm, first make sure you like this video. In order to be informed about Tesla, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Fresh from Tesla's 2023 annual shareholders meeting, I have some exciting news to share. It was definitely one for the books, I must say. The man himself, Elon Musk, was beaming as he revealed not only Tesla's long-term goals, but also some significant details regarding their next goods. Get ready because this is going to get really exciting. Let's start with the Cybertruck. Later this year, this beast of a car is scheduled to come off the assembly line, and deliveries will happen soon after. Not only that, though, Elon also made reference to the Tesla next generation car, a dynamic pair of models that he thinks will sell an incredible 5 million units annually. Speaking of lofty objectives. But hang on, because Elon said that Tesla's humanoid robot holds most of the company's long-term worth. That was the most astounding revelation. You read correctly, a robot that resembles a human. We will examine Elon's comments from a number of perspectives in this video, examining how compelling and assured he was about this forecast. It's intriguing stuff, I assure you. Let's dissect Elon's vision for humanoid robots and their potential long-term influence on Tesla's valuation in order to fully understand it. Consider it as pulling back the curtain to reveal the enchantment occurring behind the scenes. The foundation of Tesla's operations is its range of electric vehicles. The market for electric vehicles is enormous and is one of the largest in the economy. For Tesla, this is the first step. Level 1, if we may. Starting a successful electric vehicle company is no easy feat. It necessitates reaching economies of scale and increasing output. Electric cars consist of several complex components, such as motors, power electronics, and batteries. Small-scale manufacturing of these components initially raises costs, which makes the finished product expensive. Tesla has to sell a lot of cars, ideally hundreds of thousands of each model, in order to make a profit. This presents a problem too, since the first high prices stifle demand, a catch-22 scenario. Let's now turn our attention to Tesla's supremacy. The unspoken fact is that Tesla has easily taken over the whole automotive industry, not just the market for electric vehicles. Entering a market where Tesla already holds a dominant position requires a Herculean effort, regardless of whether you're an established automaker or a young electric vehicle firm. It's not an easy task, believe me, to provide a car that's not just competitive with Tesla's lineup, but also truly exciting. As an alternative, you may look at market niches that Tesla hasn't yet entered, but as time passes, these unexplored markets can become more and more rare. Tesla's approach of dominating the market is divided into 4 phases. The first phase is focused on electric automobiles, where Tesla has already turned a profit and is consciously aiming for several market niches. Their cars outperform rivals with their remarkable margins. This prepares the way for the second step, also referred to as robotaxis or fully autonomous driving. When compared to EVs, the market for FSD is far greater because it converts vehicles from being driven by humans to being driven by themselves more frequently. Tesla wants to provide a fully autonomous driving experience while making money off of the value it adds. Elon Musk, the brilliant man behind Tesla, clarified some of the possible margins of this new business during a conversation. Musk sees a situation in which Tesla may reach incredible margins, even if he acknowledges that this is speculative area. Consider a car that costs the same but has 5 times the usage, earning up to 80% in profits. There would be a huge shift in the asset value due to the considerable increase in revenue. But energy doesn't see the same kind of growth in consumption, so Musk thinks margins in the region of 20 to 30% will be steady. The energy market is the subject of the third stage. Musk highlights the expanding global need for energy by referring to the demand for energy storage as nearly unlimited. The market for energy storage is growing as long as battery storage costs keep going down. Tesla has the ability to create a huge market with decades of growth if it can achieve margins of 20 to 30% in this industry. The market for Optimus, a type of humanoid robot, represents the fourth and last stage. This market, which includes Tesla's humanoid robot, is the biggest one. A general-purpose robot that can learn several tasks is the humanoid robot, in contrast to the narrowly specialized physical AI devices of FSD and robotaxis. Musk has long recognized the significance of it and believes it has enormous potential. Imagine if a robot with human characteristics could not only get into a car, but also learn how to drive. The capacity to drive alone offers a significant use case for fully autonomous vehicles. Nonetheless, there are hundreds of thousands or possibly millions of possible uses for humanoid robots. People are prepared to pay money or trade resources to gain access to the skills that a humanoid robot can provide in each of these use cases because they have value. Numerous factors contribute to the large market for humanoid robots, making it a highly lucrative and attractive sector. A major benefit is that sales of humanoid robots could be far higher than those of actual autos. Humanoid robot production is less complex and requires fewer materials than that of autos, which lowers manufacturing costs. The affordability presents numerous prospects for extensive implementation and ease of use. Elon Musk, a trailblazing pioneer in the industry, has audaciously declared his conviction regarding the potential magnitude of this sector. In his ideal future, there may be an astounding 10 billion or perhaps 20 billion units of demand for humanoid robots. These astounding numbers demonstrate the revolutionary potential of this technology, which might benefit every home, business, and industry through the employment of humanoid robots. Furthermore, humanoid robots have the ability to generate income in ways other than those found in conventional sales models. Particularly, Tesla understands the benefits of subscription-based strategies. For a weekly or monthly charge, people and businesses can access and use humanoid robots on a regular basis by subscribing to robotic services. In addition to providing steady revenue streams, this creative business strategy builds enduring bonds with clients, encouraging loyalty, and making the most use of these cutting-edge devices. Therefore, by adopting the subscription-based strategy, Tesla stands to gain a great deal. Tesla can maintain its position as a major player in the sector by leveraging the enormous market for humanoid robots and the opportunity for recurring revenue. Elon Musk's futuristic vision and Tesla's unwavering commitment to developing cutting-edge technology put the company in a strong position to influence the humanoid robot market and change how people interact with robotics globally. Elon Musk recently told a shareholder meeting that he was quite confident in Tesla's long-term worth and that much of that confidence stems from Optimus, the company's humanoid robot. This suggests that although Tesla now has sizable addressable markets in energy, self-driving robotaxis, and electric vehicles, the potential of humanoid robots considerably outstrips these industries. The total potential of the three primary markets is not quite as great as that of humanoid robots. Elon Musk appears to genuinely believe this prognosis based on his unwavering position. Elon Musk's earlier prognosis from the beginning of the 2010s is suggestive of this circumstance. He declared with confidence at the time that by 2030, most new cars sold would be electric. Though many people thought this idea was absurd, as 2023 draws near, it's generally accepted that Elon's forecast will probably come true before the 2030 deadline. Elon's self-assurance was derived from his comprehension of battery cost curves and the revolutionary potential of technology and creativity in augmenting the electric car encounter. Similar to this, Elon seems to have a long-term vision of paradigm shifts given his